All my friends in India have just come to guide you on the Jionet APN settings first for 2023. So the first step is to go to your phone settings and go where there is network and internet. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just begging you because I didn't forget you. I just love you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to press that subscribe button till it becomes gray from red. So after going to network and internet, we are gonna go where there is mobile networks. In your network and internet, I told you in your phone settings, or check the mobile networks. After checking the mobile networks, I will choose the advanced options of mobile networks so that I can set the APN settings for Jionet in India. I've checked. After checking, I'll go where there is access point names. After checking access point names, I'll click on these three dots on the top left corner and I'll choose an option that says add APN. After choosing add APNs, our name will be Geo. I will start with 4G so that will be specific 4G Geo Net. Don't put a space. After putting 4G Jionet, I'll check OK and I confirm the name 4G Jionet. 4G Jionet. After the APN will be for Geo, it's super fast to work in 2023. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. The APN will be Internet Geo India. Don't put a space. Don't risk to put a space, guys. Just put Internet Geo India. After putting that, check OK and confirm your APN as Internet Geo India. After putting that, we are gonna go where there is APN type and we'll set none. APN type none. After putting none, I'll go to the APN protocol, choose IPv4 and the roaming protocol IPv6, or you can choose IPv4 or IPv6 and check save. After saving, you will be free to connect that APN, but APN type don't put 9, just leave it as that and save. Don't delete, just save my APN. Save. After saving, you'll be able to connect as you see, and you put on your mobile data. After putting on mobile data, you shall see that our network is in 4G. Thank you guys for subscribing. Invite your friends. Thank you.